Cave adventure is not easy as we have encountered. Here is a different story. While we were trying to find a way out, our only option is to climb down through this narrow cliff, which is risky, but going back from the same way would take us 1.5 hours. So, we decided to climb down through this narrow steep with the support of this small tree, which is dangerous for the safety of the adventurers. But it was worth giving a try, as for the rest of the journey was easy and successful. Thanks to Mother Nature, which has helped us scale through this cliff down, even though this small tree seems useless, but in time of unexpected challenges, it was a blessing in disguise.